The starting of Manomaya Kosha itself tells us that it is a connected portion of our complete body, not only the physical body, which is connected with the Jnanendriya and Karmendriya. So Jnanendriya, we all know that Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha, like smell, touch, okay, ear, eyes, these are all Jnanendriya. A very important part of it is that this is a part, man is a part of it, right? Mind, what we say, is a part of it, right? So if we interact with each other through eyes, through our vacha, that is our speaking and discussion, then I think that will create good interaction of our knowledge. We all will be cognizant about what I would like to convey, and definitely what you can also contribute to it. So my question, anybody has gone through what is Manomaya Kosha in yogic sciences, or anybody knows that there is something known as Manomaya Kosha? Okay, Kosh is a kind of, say, cage, or kind of what you can say, a kind of small house or kind of cell also. And this particular science of Manomaya Kosh is well established 5000 years ago, and at present this particular science is excavated, it is researched in a modern scientific way, whereas Patanjali has actually depicted Manomaya Kosha 5000 years ago, right? Okay, so it's a mind sheet. Okay, I'll just sum up this. See, our body, when we consider in the modern life sciences, our body is considered as only our body, that is a physical body. Now modern life sciences, modern medicinal sciences, physiological sciences, they are also actually classifying our body into different parts. Now our body is classified majorly into two parts. One is what we are, that is a human cells, and second part is what is that inside us, that is organisms. So it is said now that our body consists of two things. One is our human cells, and another is our bacterial cells, viral cells, fungal cells. Okay, all those organisms which actually reside in our body. Maybe 3 billion, 3 trillion organisms are there, and which constitute a human body, right? Whereas there are many of the elements which are still not discovered by medicinal sciences, by physiological sciences, and these contain different kinds of layers, whereas yogic sciences has already disclosed about these particular layers. So they say that there is a material body, and that is one basic, we say in yogic language as Annamaya Kosha, so physical body. Okay, there is a body or a layer over the body that is known as Pranayam Kosha, which has a life, actual life. That is a Pranayam Kosha. So every kosh has almost a whole day explanation. Then there is a layer known as Manomaya Kosha, which has a mind. Okay, there is a layer known as Jnanamaya Kosha or Jnanamaya Kosha, layer of wisdom, layer of information, layer of what you can say, exchange of knowledge, and senses are converted into actual knowledge. Then there is a layer of Anandamaya Kosha, actually bliss, a kind of joy around it. So it is there are 5 layers by which this body is actually created. So we are today discussing about Manomaya Kosha. What is that Manomaya Kosha is? See, our whole body is depicted by our thinking. Our whole body is depicted by kind of thoughts we have, but these thoughts are originated from our mind, and this mind which actually comprises of Manomaya Kosha. Why Manomaya Kosha is so important? Why not Annamaya Kosha is important? Why not other Jnanamaya Kosha is important? Rather, in our business or in our practicing software or our services, we found that most of the time we use only two kosh. One is a small part of Jnanamaya kosh, one is a very big part of our Annamaya kosh, which is actually our physical body, and we apply our knowledge. But all these are governed by ultimately by the mind sheath. Unless and until our mind sheath is not proper, we cannot achieve these things, right? And for that purpose, Manomaya Kosh is to be studied heavily.